The Clasp by Sloane Crosley. What a literary ride. It's like this glass of wine. Spicy, fruity, great on the subway. I mean, at first blush, it's a comedy of manners, friends coming together before they fall apart, a madcap hunt for a famous necklace. To me, it has a Romancing the Stone vibe. It's somewhere between Seinfeld and Black Swan. Goonies fan fiction. I mean, when Goonies erotic fan fiction. It's like what Hemingway said. Okay, I didn't read it. What? It's been a busy week. It looks really good.